you can solve all our mystery. So thank you so much, sir, for always being there for us. Once again, wish you happy birthday to you, sir. I'd like to call our mentor, director, who has a great role in our career as well as many aspirant and young intellectual of Muzaffarpur as well as Bihar. So now I am going to call our director. Please come on the stage and make this birthday special. So please come on the stage and say something.
First of all, I would like to give thanks to you all that you all have just gathered here on the eve of my birthday celebration. And one thing I must tell you that we all have come here not only the celebration. Another thing is that when our the senior student went in front of you and they told that do you want to participate or not? What happens? We always just go behind the podium and speak at same platform, same environment, same things are happening. But we need to change ourselves also. If we not able to speak in front of anyone, if we are not able to just go in front of anyone or at different place, then still there is a lack of confidence. When I was child, when any celebration was happening, when any occasion was occurred by school or anything, then I was a part of that. Whether I was failing or getting success, that doesn't matter. But just because of that, I just removed my agitation and now I am just able to just speak in front of anyone. I just tell you that this is a small platform. But by God's grace, if you go somewhere, then what will happen? You have to just attend a big seminar, meetings, lots of things are happening. And this type of things are going to happen. And if you become or become successful person, and at that point of time, if you get an opportunity and you will say no, 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 then what will happen? You cannot show your performance. I always just tell you, you are not the part of that crowd. You just show that in that crowd, I am different from others. I am not here to sit there. I am here to perform here. So that people will know about my talent, about my skill, about each and everything. And you have to show. हम पहले भी बोलते हैं कि कुएं प्यासे के पास नहीं जाता है, प्यासे कुएं के पास आता है। और आप सभी प्यासे हैं इसकी, स्किल की, टैलेंट की, कि मैं जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ज्ञान ले सकूं, नॉलेज ले सकूं और मैं अपने मुकाम को हासिल कर सकूं। That is very important. And ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब आप अपने अंदर के सबसे बड़े वायरस, और वो वायरस क्या है? हमारा डर है, जो कोरोना से भी भयंकर है। जिस दिन आप अपने अंदर के इस डर को निकाल देते हैं, then nobody can defeat you. Now it is up to you that how are you going to do, and how are you going to remove this kind of threat from you all. By any mode of, you can say that performing or activity, that is totally up to you. So you have to just perform yourself and you have to do better. As a teacher, it is said that teacher can't teach anyone. If somebody says that I can teach you, then they are going to make you a fool. A teacher is here to guide you. If those students who are going to follow the guidelines of the teacher, they are getting success, otherwise they all become a struggler. So you want to be a struggler or you want to be a winner, that is totally up to you. If you want to be a winner, then definitely all happiness will come on your door. But if you want to be a struggler, then you will have to go that door to get happiness. And it is up to you that which type of life you want to enjoy. Another thing is that today